Hi kids, welcome to It's Storytime Kids. Today we've got another vacuum cleaner book. This one is called Skylar, the vacuum cleaner who really didn't want to go to bed. Really didn't want to go to bed. By Aaron Bilgrad. Bilgrad, I think. Alan Bilgrad. Sorry, Mr. Bilgrad, if I've pronounced your name wrong. It's illustrated by Zach Wideman. And on the back it says, if you're a kid who really doesn't want to go to bed, then you and Skylar, the vacuum cleaner, feel the same way. It's a happy joy time book. I don't know if you can see that. Happy joy time book. That's lovely. Ooh. First page. Lots of vacuum cleaners. I presume that's Skylar and just all her different facial expressions. Skylar, the vacuum cleaner who really didn't want to go to bed, by Aaron Bilgrad, illustrated by Zach Wideman. Oh, I'm loving these pictures. Oh. Skylar was a very happy vacuum cleaner. She loved it when her family took her out of the closet to clean up their mess. But there was one thing Skylar, the vacuum cleaner, absolutely did not like. Going to bed. Her parents said, okay, it's time for our little vacuum cleaner to go to sleep. But Skylar wanted to stay up and play. She so wanted to keep playing with her toys, having fun with the other kids, and most precious to Skylar, she wanted to stay up to watch more TV. Well, who doesn't feel that way from time to time, right kids? Sometimes I want to stay up and just watch TV too. Skylar shouted, but I want to watch my favourite show, Alligator Firefighters. Someone else will clean this up. She even offered to eat all of Elliot the dog's dog hair if her family would just let her stay up a little longer. That's a lot of dog hair. That's called negotiation and bargaining. You bargain to stay up later and you find something your parents want and you negotiate with them. Her family tried so hard to get her to go to bed. If there was ever a vacuum cleaner that really didn't want to go to bed, Skylar was it. Skylar really didn't want to go to bed, and she started crying. Her tears got all over the floor, and a frustrated Martin the Mop had to clean them up on his day off. Oh no! First time I saw that picture, I didn't realise this was Skylar's tears. She must be very upset to go to bed. Her family tried everything, but bedtime was simply not part of Skylar's plans. Then her whole family said something important to Skylar, something she had never thought about before. They said, "Skylar, if you get a good night's sleep, then tomorrow you will be the happiest, sharpest, strongest vacuum cleaner you can be." That's true, kids. You do need sleep. And she imagined what a great day tomorrow could be if she was well rested. She could be her best, most powerful self and vacuum up everything in the most mighty way. She could vacuum dirt from the kids' shoes. And Butchie, the cat's kitty litter mess that Butchie made on purpose. Yes, and Butchie, the cat's kitty litter mess that Butchie made on purpose. I have a cat called Bam Bam, and he also seems to make mess on purpose. So I know exactly how you feel, Skylar. And even the stuff that Clarence, the new fancy vacuum cleaner, was unable to pick up. I just can't get it. Life is hard. That's what Clarence is saying. It looks like he's a robo-vac. I don't have a robotic vacuum cleaner, you know. I would really like one, just because I'd like to see how they work. And exactly like how they figure out how to navigate the room and around the furniture and stuff. I think it would be fun. Then Skylar, the vacuum cleaner, put on her pajamas and eagerly got into bed. Her family tucked her in and said good night, and Skylar, the vacuum cleaner, had sweet dreams about a wonderful tomorrow. Oh, and that says a Happy Joytime book. More Happy Joytime books coming soon. Well, this is the only Happy Joytime book I have, and it's the only book I have about Skylar, the vacuum cleaner. I do like the pictures though, kids. Oh, it tells us a little bit about Aaron Bilgrad. Bilgrad. After graduating from the University of Expensive, Aaron Bilgrad has researched the emotional needs and wants of household appliances for over 12 years. He currently writes books from the inside of a volcano, despite the lava and high temperature. What do you think, kids? Do you think he really writes books from the inside of a volcano? If he does, that is pretty awesome. Well, that's the end. That's the end of Skylar, the vacuum cleaner, who really didn't want to go to bed. That was a really nice book. I did very much like the pictures. Skylar looks like a fun vacuum cleaner. I hope that they write some more books about Skylar. Well, thank you for joining me today. I think that I have one more vacuum cleaner book left, but basically that's the lot. And then I'm going to start reading some other books. And I'm thinking about reading through my Harry McClary's and Slinky Malinky's. So I've got quite a few of them and I think they're a real fun read. So that's my plan. I'm going to read my last vacuum cleaner book and then I'm going to move on to Harry McClary and Slinky Malinky. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this book and you take care now, kids. Bye!